Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable dark mode on Samsung internet. So from the home menu, click on the three lines at the bottom, horizontal lines. You can see dark theme site, you turn it on. If you don't want to use this method, you can click on the three lines, click on settings, and if you scroll down, you will see high contrast mode. You can turn it on. If you don't want that, you can also go for layout and menu. Not layout and menu. You go to web page view and scrolling, and you can see dark mode here. Tap on it, and then you can choose the dark mode. If you want it to match phone settings, you want to turn it on, you want to turn it off, or give it a few seconds. It's checking for updates. Okay, so let's go back. Now you can decide to match phone settings, and then you can see web page brightness in dark mode. So you can increase the brightness or you can reduce it. It depends on you. So that's it. These are the two ways you can change to dark mode or enable dark mode on Samsung internet. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.